Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add BNB to Metamask. If you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Now let's get started. First, open the Metamask interface. Once you've accessed the Metamask interface, look at the top left-hand side of the screen. There will be a drop-down menu with your network name. Click on it, and a pop-up box will appear. At the bottom of this pop-up box, there will be an Add Network button. Click on the Add Network button, and the Add Network section will open right in front of you. In the Add Network section, there will be various networks that you can add. To add BNB, look for BNB Chain, which is the second option. On the right-hand side of the BNB Chain text, there will be an Add button. Click on the Add button, and a pop-up box will appear again. Click on the Approve button. After clicking Approve, you will see an option to Switch to BNB Chain. Click on it, and you'll be able to switch to BNB in Metamask. That's how you add BNB to Metamask. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you.